Hello students, this is Anusha, your science teacher. Here you to tell you we are in the lesson rain, where does it come from, and we have discussed how the clouds are not going to form rain and what are the clouds which are going to form rain and all. And when you go deep into the lesson, the water in the nature is available in three states. You know what are the three states of water? Matter is available in three states, solids, liquids and gases. Like that, water is also available in three states: solids, liquids and gases. Solids, liquids and gases. So what are the three states of water and how we can convert from one form to another form, we are going to learn. So there are how many in nature, how many types of water forms are there? There are three forms of water: solids. We call solid form of water as ice. Solid form of water is called as ice. It will be in the form of a cubes, you can see. That is a solid form of the water, and this is the water. So can we convert water into ice? Can we convert water into ice? Yes, water is going to convert into ice. How? If you decrease the temperature, if you keep in the refrigerator, it is going to what? Water is convert into ice, which is solid form. Solid, it will be the molecule in the solids. In your higher classes you are going to learn, and it does not change its shape. When you keep in any container also, it is not going to change its shape. Then we say that isn't solid. Suppose if I keep in this in a glass, it is not going to change its shape, isn't it? What we have learned about water will change. It does not have any shape. Whatever the container has, that shape only the water takes. But the water in the form of a solids will not be like that. Water in the form of a solids will be in such a way that it is going to not to take any shape of the container. It is going to have a specific shape of it. That is the solid form of water. That is nothing but your ice cubes. Next, liquid form of water. How water cubes are going to become water? If you heat the ice cubes, the water is going to change into liquid. If you put ice cubes outside, if you increase the temperature of water of ice cubes, the ice cubes are going to change into water. If you keep in the refrigerator, it will be in minus degrees or less temperature. If you keep it outside, it will be more than that temperature, right? So the water is going to, when you heat ice, it is going to become water. Liquid, in nature how the water liquid will be in the form of like seas, oceans, rivers and underground water. And these all are seen, you can see this is a solid, not like Himalayas and all. The water will be in the form of ice. So it is also a water, but in the form of a solid. If the water is in the form of a liquid, then it is like a rivers or whatever you call, lakes, rivers and all. Next is where the gaseous form of water is available. In the form of a water vapor. If you heat water more, if you heat ice, it becomes water. If you heat water, the water becomes in gaseous form. That is in the form of a gaseous water vapor. In the form of a water vapor, it is going to come. Means what? Water is in three states, that is solids, liquids and gases. Water in solid form is ice. The water is in liquid form is water, which is available in our seas, lakes, rivers and underground. And water in the liquid form is gaseous form. If you heat water, if you increase the temperature of the water more, then it is going to be water vapor. So water vapor, if I want to exchange to water ice in a solid form, yes, you can change its state from one form to another form. Again you can interchange also. How we will see. So see, ice in solid forms, when you heat it, it becomes water. When you heat it more, it becomes water vapor. solid, liquid and gases. Solids, when you heat it, it becomes liquid like water. This is ice, water. When you heat it more, it becomes water vapor. So this is the form. Again, with water vapor, it becomes, if you cool it, it becomes water. Again, if you cool it, it becomes ice. Means in solid forms. Solid form, liquid form and gaseous form. The three are exchangeable. These three are exchangeable. Again, I'll show you. See. Ice, heated, water vapor. Again, water vapor, if you cool it, it becomes water. Again, if you cool it, it becomes ice. Those are exchangeable, interchangeable. So, water will be available in three forms. Those are solids, liquids and gases. Solid is ice, liquid is water and gases is water vapor. Thank you. I hope you understood this.